Hello friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. Today is a great time for the many people worldwide because today is promotion, and the promotion you can get $5 free. Just you can get $5 to your PayPal account and you don't need to do nothing for that. Nothing really hard, just simple action. I will tell you what you have to do exactly to get that $5 to your PayPal account, and this money I will pay straight to you, just directly from me. I will pay to you. So what you have to do for that, just watch this video to the end. And before I will tell you about the promotion, I want to represent for you the platform which I was working a long time to show to the people where you can get education, where you can get ways how to make money online, and where you can get information how to start the business, guys. All of this include on the Revolution 360. And many times I tell to the people, many times I trying to explain to the people that right now is the great chance to the worldwide, more than 190 countries. It's the business Be Epic, guys. The business Be Epic, it's right now growing, and I joined this business 1.5 years and can tell you many things happen, many things change. A lot of the people, they join me, a lot of the people which I communicate, and it's really excited to think on the 100% because company every time is growing. Before was just one product, then another product, and today, guys, just imagine we have the product for kids which I already ordered. And right now also I want to show you that I have, of course I have the products with me. There's a lot of the products with the LF8, there's LF8 and all of this right here. But the video is not about the products. Video is not about the products, guys. Video about the promotion and about the business, where everyone can have a chance, where everyone from the different countries, from the different places, if they will make a decision, they can start to make money online, because this is right now is works. And just I want you to share this video with your friends. I want to tell about this opportunity to the many guys, to the many people, so they will know from where they can get money right now, because the Be Epic is that company where everyone have a chance. It doesn't matter where you live. It's Europe, it's Ukraine, it's Russia, it's United States of America, it's Africa. It doesn't matter, guys. You have a chance just with the small amount of the money, just by getting the some of the products, you can start a great business. And just by sharing the information, just explaining to the people that what we have inside the company, you can get great amount of the money. You can be financial free. So this is the really exciting thing, I guess. And just I want to explain you about the Revolution 360, what it's all about, because I was working on this website many days, many months, and right now it's completely ready. But anyway, every day I will put some new information right here on this website, so you can get every time new information about the ways how to make money online. And of course, on the Revolution 360, all about the Be Epic, all about this business. Because really important to the people is understand that if you want to get great money, if you want to start to earn really incredible money, so you must to do the business. If you will do some work to, like for example, pay to click, or maybe if you will go on the Fiverr, maybe if you will do some typing or something like that, yes, you can make some money, but that amount you will spend very fast, because you spend a lot of the hours and just you get in some some extra cash, maybe like 200 300 US dollar, but whatever, you must spend a lot of the time, and just you must spend your time for the money. What's really excited in the Be Epic, that you are investing your time in the some in the excited thing. You invest in the time in the business, and business where a lot of the people support you, it's growing you to the another level. Because with Be Epic you can start to be, like I said, financial free. Every time you working, not from the 9 till 5 every day with the same situation, yeah? Every day you speak with the different people, every day you have your ideas, and you are growing. You can be in the many places, you can travel, you can be at home, you can be maybe on your car, it doesn't matter, any way you can be on the plane, but you can do the business just online with the laptop, with the mobile phone. All of this is really possible. And guys, I just want to tell you, on the Revolution 360 you can find many ways how to get paid. And first of all, when you will go on this page, I will paste the link in the description. So you just need to go right there, click the link in the description, so you will receive the Revolution 360. So you can go and find the ways which working right now. So this is the mega typers, This the some of the ways how to make money with the kind of the tools where you can create some some videos for the YouTube and make the money from that. So it will be right here. So just you need to click to making money tools, and right there you will find it. And also every single day I will try and I will put some new information about that ways where the people right now making the money. So this is the really important. You don't need to be struggling every time to searching for the ways how to make money online. All of them will be right here on the Revolution 360. But also will be really important information for that people who wants to know how to make the business online, who wants to get the education, because Revolution 360 is not just a website, it's the platform where you can get the education, and this education is absolutely free. Because for that people who are searching for the ways how to make like $1,000 per month, 2,000 and more, guys, obviously you need to make the business. If you're not gonna do the business, nothing will be. You can just go to the Fiverr or Megatypers or Upwork or ClickSense and all that websites. You can go and work, try to do there something, but you cannot make more than like 200, 300, 400 US dollar. It's maximum. And you must understand the process, and nobody will gonna help you. You should be there alone, and you will be alone, because to understand how that work, whatever, if you want somebody to help you, you must to pay for them. So you should be there alone, yeah, because you don't need to spend a lot of the money for the other people. So you just need to get all the information from the internet. You must learn a lot, and you must do everything by yourself. Nobody will gonna help you. What's really exciting in the Be Epic, because this is the first of all, this is the business. You're not spending your time for the money. You are doing the business. You're just spending really the time to invest in the business, and the business will bring you the money. So maybe you will work, maybe you will not gonna work, but whatever, you receive the money, and this is the difference. So I really want to propose you and offer to you, first of all, right now, to go to the Revolution 360 to check all about that, because you must understand what kind of the business is that. You can see the videos with the CEO of this company, Eric Caparizzi. You will see what kind of the products we have, because right now we have the product for kids, guys, and the product for kids is the really excited stuff, because there is no chemistry inside. It's absolutely natural, it's 100% great, it's 100% amazing to the kids, and a lot of the kids, they can be safe, they can get incredible health. So you don't need to buy another kind of the rubbish from the supermarket, from the different kind of the pharmacy or something like that. All of that right here in the one product, which call it Great Kids. Guys, I just want to recommend for you guys to go to the Revolution 360 right now to check all the information. Contact me, because the contact is right there, and just start to make the great business, because it can help many people all around the world. And if you're living right now in your city, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start to make the money, so it's right here on the Revolution 360. And right now, guys, the promotion, yeah, right now the promotion. How to get the $5, how to get that $5 to your PayPal account, what you should do, what you have to do. So what you have to do to get that $5 to your PayPal account, you must paste the comment below of this video with your Facebook and with your PayPal address. So the first 20 people who will place the comment, who will put the like on this video and share this video on their Facebook, will have a chance to get $5. $5 free to their PayPal account. It's really great promotion, and it's really simple. Everyone can do. Just paste the comment below this video, put the like, and share it on the Facebook. So the $5, guys, you can get it. First 20 people can get that $5. We'll choose the winner in Monday, the next Monday, which will be. And I just wanna wish you success, guys. I just wanna wish you to be the first, because if you are the first one who watching this video right now, and if you'll paste the comment right now, paste the like, and we'll share this video on the Facebook, so you will have a chance to get $5 to your PayPal account absolutely free, directly from me. And this is just the first promotion. We start from the small money, yeah, $5. But if you're gonna follow these videos, if you're gonna follow Revolution 360 YouTube channel, Earn Online, and all of that, which I tell to the people, so you can get more, because we're gonna do some different kind of the promotion, and I'm really excited about that. So guys, just what you have to do right now, like I said, you need to go on the Revolution 360, because right here really that information which you can find only right here. And this information is works, guys. It works on the 100%. Check the products, because these products you couldn't find in the pharmacy, you couldn't find, you know, anywhere. It's only in the Be Epic. It's only from the Revolution 360, because right here is the really great stuff. And on the 100%, just check, guys, work with the celebrities, because everyone wants to have in their environment the celebrities. And guys, we're working with the Larry Lane. You can see, just tell me, did you watch the movie Spider-Man? It's right here, guys. Do you know Tobey Maguire? It's right here. So the Tobey Maguire, he was together with the Larry Lane in the Spider-Man, guys. So this is really great stuff. And we're working with these people. We're working in the company which call it Be Epic. So if you want to do the same, if you want to do also the same, just guys, do that right now. So just, you know, it's really simple. You must go on the Revolution 360. First of all, you must get any one of this product. Just click on that and get it for yourself. Contact me and we'll start to make great business with you together. And it will be really incredible, because you couldn't find something like that on another channel. It's just on the Earn line. So as I said, if you want to get that $5 free to your PayPal account, so what you have to do right now, just paste the comment, put the like and share this video on your Facebook. First 20 people can have a chance and will have a chance to get $5 absolutely free. So do that right now, guys. It was Team Wider. Stay blessed.